Hello students, a hearty welcome to Global Online UGC NET and SET exam preparation channel. So students, as you all know, on 30th of April, we received a public notice regarding the application form that has started for December 21 and June 2022 UGC NET merged cycles. So in this notice students, we came to know that the application form has started from 30th of April and they are going to be till 20th of May, and then for 3 days the correction window will be open from 21st May to 23rd of May, and the intimation means all the information regarding the cities and downloading of admit card and examination date will be announced later on the website. So in this notice, with this notice, we have realized and we have come to know that the exam is going to be nearly in in June end or maximum in July first week. So you have nearly 2 months time for this examination, and the exam will be in two parts students. There will be paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 2 is going to have 50 questions, that is of 100 marks, and paper 2 is going to have 100 questions of 200 marks. And paper 1 will be a general paper, a common paper for all the subjects, and paper 2 is going to be a subject specific. Now, for those students who are very curious or who are nervous regarding paper 1 preparation, we at Global Online has started a crash course for UGC NET paper 1. And here in this crash course, we will be covering your entire syllabus in 30 days time. So this is a paper 1 crash course for your upcoming examination students. Let me tell you in detail. So the crash course is going to start from 5th of May students. Okay, and the timetable we will be announcing you on the first day of this crash course. So in 30 days our target is to cover your entire syllabus, and the syllabus will be divided among two faculties, that is Tripti ma'am and Zeba ma'am. Okay, and on the first day we will be telling you what or in the next video I'm going to tell you which units Tripti ma'am is going to take and which units Zeba ma'am is going to take, and there will be daily live lectures from Monday to Saturday. In this, each and every topic will be covered, all the units will be covered, 10 units, that is starting from teaching aptitude to research aptitude till the last unit, that is higher education. Each and every topic will be covered and nothing will remain untouched. So if you are still not prepared with our crash course, we guarantee you selection, because you can directly get 75 plus marks if you follow our course. So here not only lectures, but we will also be providing you notes, last 10 years question papers with solution, and test series that will have 2500 plus MCQs. So you can join by downloading Global Online app, or you can WhatsApp us on this number. The fees is 3000. So I will be also telling you about how to join on our application. So first go on Play Store students and type Global Online. Okay, so this logo will get opened. This logo will open, and you have to download this application. When you will download and log in, this interface is going to open and you have to click on the store section. Which section? Store section. On this in the store section, you have to type UGC net. Here you will find two courses. First is UGC net paper 1 crash course. So here you can join. If you want to join crash course, you can join or click on this, because this, the validity is 3 months. We have given the validity of 3 months time. We also have a UGC NET paper 1 course, but here the validity is 1 year. Why? And some students might be thinking, ma'am, why 3 months time when the exam is nearly in 2 months time? Because you know that NTA usually postpones a lot of time, there is delay in the examination. So we have kept 1 month buffer, so that you don't have to pay anything extra after you join this crash course. So here you, if you want to join crash course, you have to click on this course, UGC NET paper 1 crash course, and then this interface will open. This, here you can see that we have full syllabus, video lectures are there, mock test is there, notes, last 10 years question paper, 2000 plus MCQs, and the content is both in English and in Hindi. And you can watch the same course on the desktop also. If many students they feel okay in when they watch lectures in mobile, it might strain their eyes, so you can watch the same lectures on your laptops and computers also. So here the fees is 3000 students, and your complete 10 units will be covered. You can see directly here, You have teaching aptitude, research aptitude, reading comprehension, communication, mathematical, logical, data interpretation, ICT, people and environment, and higher education. This ways, all 10 units will be covered. And students, if you are preparing for, if your paper 2 is one of these subjects, we have complete notes and MCQs also available for UGC net examination. So students those are having subjects from one of these, from if their subject is management, economics, computer science, commerce, history, sociology, psychology, law, English literature, physical education, geography, political science, social work, and education. So the fees for paper to complete full syllabus notes and MCQs is 1000, and you can contact on WhatsApp number this, and you can avail these notes. So when you make the payment, we will be giving you all the notes on WhatsApp, and complete from one single source, you can completely prepare your paper too. Okay students, so if you have any doubts and queries, you can write it down in the comment section, and you can also contact us regard if you have any queries regarding joining these courses. Okay, so see you in our lectures. Again, I'm telling you students, the crash course is starting from 5th of May. So today, that is from Thursday, it is going to start. Again, I'll tell, the timetable will be provided on the first day. Tripti ma'am and Zeba will divide the syllabus into five units, and entire syllabus will be covered in 30 days time. Okay, so join this crash course and crack the upcoming examination and fulfill your dream. See you in the lecture. Bye.